So how does it feel to graduate from the Valuation Masterclass Bootcamp?
I feel like my hard work paid off a lot, and I'm very happy about it. Really learning to be more efficient. And by
Mm.
experience, I've been building individual models for different companies. So it takes a lot of time. And I learned the lesson of being efficient. See, I was able to value this company within 1 week because of this, right? I mean, but if I had to build from scratch, it might have taken me like 2 to 3 weeks, right? Also, I learned the valuation mistakes, which I look back on my other models now that I made before. I committed a lot of them, so I'm really happy I've learned that. Is I'd like to get better at valuing companies. I not only want to become an analyst, but also I invest my own money. And actually, I'm investing my parents' money also. So I gotta know how to do all of this so that I don't mess up with their money.